Let's take a journey through the evolution of pharmaceutical manufacturing records and see how they've become the backbone of drug safety. Now, if you work in pharma, you know manufacturing records are more than paperwork, they're proof. They document every step from sourcing raw materials to finished product release. But it wasn't always this way. Decades ago, records were handwritten, scattered, and sometimes incomplete. Back in the day, a missing signature or an illegible entry could mean the difference between compliance and a regulatory warning letter. Audits were tense, investigations could drag on for weeks, and when something went wrong, tracing the problem, let's just say it was like finding a needle in a haystack. But as the industry matured, so did the records. The rise of good manufacturing practices, GMPs, brought standardization. Suddenly, there were rules for everything: how to record, what to record, when to review, and who signs off. Paper trails became lifelines not just for regulators, but for everyone in the supply chain. Then came the digital revolution. Electronic batch records, EBRs, transformed the landscape. Manual checks turned into automated workflows. Errors flagged themselves. Data became searchable, auditable, and most importantly, secure. What's the impact? For one, investigations are faster. If a batch fails, I can trace every ingredient, every process step in seconds. Root causes jump out. Recalls are targeted, not sweeping. It's not just about saving money, it's about protecting patients. But it's not just speed. Data integrity is now front and center. With systems in place to prevent backdating, alteration, or accidental deletion, trust in manufacturing data has never been higher. Regulators expect it, but patients deserve it. Of course, technology isn't a cure-all. Digital systems bring new risks: cybersecurity, system failures, data migration headaches, and the human element? Still critical. Training, vigilance, and a quality mindset are as important now as ever. Looking ahead, I see AI and advanced analytics taking records even further, predicting issues before they happen, improving efficiency and driving continuous improvement. But the core principle stays the same. Records are the foundation of drug safety. So the next time you review a batch record, whether it's on paper or a screen, remember, you're not just checking boxes, you're upholding decades of progress and protecting lives. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me to reflect on how far we've come and where we're headed. Stay safe, stay curious, and keep raising the bar.